Legal update by LEGALEYE, the law firm.
Framework guidelines for enabling deaf and blind people to enjoy movies on OTT and in cinemas. Delhi High Court to Ministry of Information and Broadcasting. During the hearing, the court also ordered that the Registrar General to consider using an interpreter for High Court proceedings as well. The Delhi High Court on Thursday directed the Union Ministry of Information and Broadcasting to hold meetings with film producers, over-the-top, OTT, platforms, television broadcasters and other stakeholders to formulate guidelines to produce films which can be enjoyed by the visually impaired and the hearing impaired. Justice Pratibha M. Singh ordered the government to submit the draft directive to the court to discuss the provisions of the Rights of Persons with Disabilities Act and how to implement the Rights of Persons with Disabilities regulations and implementing the circulars issued by the Government of India, said the order. The case will now be heard on 26 September. During the hearing, the court also ordered that the Registrar General to consider using an interpreter for High Court proceedings as well. The court heard petitions by lawyers, law students, deaf and blind groups, seeking for directions to authorities on how to implement the provisions of the Rights of Persons with Disabilities Act, RPWD, and the RPWD regulations. Specially abled people can also enjoy watching movies in cinemas and on the OTT platform. At its final hearing in January, the court ordered officials to consider features for the Shah Rukh Khan movie Pathaan for closed captioning and audio commentary. Justice Pratibha Singh was informed today that the order has been complied with and Pathaan has been released on Amazon Prime. Advocate, representing the petitioner, made several suggestions that could be implemented to make similar features available for all films released on film and OTT. After considering the proposal, the court ruled that the provisions of the RPWD law and regulations must be implemented immediately. A review of the regulations reveals that the term facilities is defined very broadly. The court believes that consultation with a wide range of stakeholders is necessary to ensure that the government's circulars are implemented in letter and spirit, the court stressed. She therefore ordered the authorities to hold a meeting and develop guidelines. She also instructed government officials to consider using a sign language interpreter for the meeting to help hearing impaired people understand progress.
Stay tuned for more legal updates from LEGALEYE.